Today is April 4th, and I want to do a project update. Basically what has happened in the past 3 days is what you're going to see from this previous update. I built this bracket here. I don't know if you can see it real clearly, but basically it's just an L-shaped bracket, and I cut a hole in it kind of for decoration, but it was also kind of a heavy bracket. And then I mounted this hose rubber garment type thing that guides my stepper motor wires and my limit switch wires. They both go through this rubber hose and mounts directly down there. Here's the stepper motor wires, and then my limit switch wires go in between the two, the actuator itself and the actual stepper motor. As you can see, they're mounted right there. And this rubber hose is actually proving quite useful, because when it goes inside the actual cable tray, as you can see, it actually stays nice and compact and clean all the way down into here. And I don't know if you noticed, but I got the table deck on there. Haven't quite figured out how I'm going to secure it down yet. I know it's just going to be temporary. I still have to stain it and do something else to it, so that way it stays stationary. I still have to drill 2 more holes on this side, and I mounted a bottom plate so that way I can put the PC in there and start testing soon. But other than that, I calibrated this axis here itself. It was kind of binding up a little bit. I don't know if you can hear this, but it's still got some play inside my own homemade bearing blocks here. But I think I'm just going to throw some Loctite in there and just give it up, because I don't know if you can see this, but it moves very easily. And I can just give it a quick shove. And it doesn't take much effort at all. It's not connected to the motor at this moment. I just have the Lovejoy coupler is out of there. That's why it moves so nicely. But other than that, I'm still trying to figure out how to get rid of some of this noise. I don't know if Radio Shack 7's going to watch this, but it looks like he has rubber garments in there, or some kind of like rubber filler to keep the motor vibration down. I'm going to explore with that a little bit. And previous topic was, I used Cat 5 cables previously for the other stepper motors, but now I got a really flexible noodle-like wire that is it's not shielded. It seems useful, and it's about an 18 gauge internal core, 4 of them. Definitely a lot nicer than the Cat 5 cable, and I suggest getting it if you can find it. But Cat 5 seemed to work just fine. I had 10.8 watt motors on them before, and it didn't heat up or any kind of power loss. But other than that, thanks for watching, and keep in touch.